Hello students, we will start new bit of chapter respiration and circulation. Heart. Heart is a main pumping organ of the circulatory system. Yes, heart is the main organ of circulatory system. It is reddish brown in color. See here in the diagram. It is reddish brown in color. Halo means it have cavity inside it to fill blood. It is muscular organ because its wall is made up of a cardiac muscle, so called as muscular organ, roughly the size of one's fist. याची जी साईज असते आपल्या वळलेल्या मुठी एवढी असते, स्वतःच्या वळलेल्या मुठी एवढी आपल्या हार्टची साईज असते. Then its average weight is about 300 grams in males and 250 grams in female. Its shape is conical. It is conical in shape. Conical means here see cone shaped means conical. Its broad base is upward and its narrow apex is lower. It is slightly tilted towards the left side. Its narrow apex slightly tilted towards the left side. जे आपलं जे हार्ट आहे ते कोन शेप्ड दिसते आपल्याला इथे बघा. आणि कोनचा जो बेस आहे तो वरच्या साईडला आहे, याचा जो नॅरो अपेक्स आहे तो खालच्या साईडला आहे, आणि हा जो अपेक्स आहे तो थोडासा कोणत्या साईडला वळलेला आहे, लेफ्ट साईड, राईट. इट इज रेस्ट ऑन अ डायफ्रॅगम. डायफ्रॅगम आपण पाहिले लास्ट लेक्चरला. बिलो दी lungs there is a diaphragm on which this apex is rest. Heart is main circulatory organ which lie between two lungs. This right lung, this is the left lungs. See, right lungs have 3 lobes and this left lung have 2 lobes. In between these two lungs there is a position of heart. It is called as mediastinum. Next we will see the pericardium. What is pericardium? The heart is enclosed in a membranous sac or covering called as pericardium. म्हणजे आपलं जे हार्ट आहे त्याच्या बाहेरून कव्हरिंग आहे, जसं आपण बुकला कव्हर करतो तसं हार्टला कव्हर केलं जातं. हार्टचे बाहेरचं जे कव्हरिंग आहे त्याला आपण पेरिकार्डियम असं म्हणतो. या डायग्राम मध्ये बघूया आपण. आहे पेरिकार्डियम. This pericardium has 2 main layers. Outer fibrous layer and inner is the serous. This fibrous layer is made up of fibrous connective tissue. This outer pericardium, fibrous pericardium, and then serous pericardium have 2 layers. The outer layer called as parietal layer or parietal pericardium, and inner called as visceral pericardium. This outer is parietal pericardium and this is the visceral pericardium. In between two there is a cavity called as pericardial cavity. This pericardial cavity is filled with pericardial fluid. In between these two there is a pericardial cavity. This parietal and visceral layer is made up of squamous epithelium and in between these two there is a space called as pericardial space and filled with pericardial fluid, which is near about 50 ml. It acts as a shock absorber. हे जे फ्लुइड आहे आतमधलं हे कशाचं काम करतात? शॉक absorber. It protects heart from mechanical injury. It also keeps the heart moist and acts as a lubricant. हे जे आतमधलं फ्लुइड आहे हे फक्त शॉक ॲब्झॉर्बर किंवा मेकॅनिकल इंजुरी पासूनच हार्टला प्रोटेक्ट करत नाही, तर ते हार्टला मॉइस्ट ठेवतात. Then we'll see the next heart wall. This heart wall is followed by pericardium. Heart wall have 3 layers. It is mesodermal in origin. Now, first lecture we see the heart is originated from mesoderm. There are 3 dung. It is the germinal layers. We are triploblastic. Our body is originated from ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. Heart is originated from mesoderm. Its wall formed of 3 layers. The outer layer is epicardium. This visceral layer is nothing but the epicardium. This visceral layer is epicardium, faint pink color. This dark pink color is the myocardium, and this innermost layer is the endocardium. Means wall of the heart made up of 3 layers: epicardium, myocardium and endocardium. Okay. Epicardium is thin and formed of single layer of flat squamous epithelium resting on a basement membrane. आपण याच्या आधीच पाहिले हा serous pericardiumचा layer and it is made up of squamous epithelium which rests on a basement membrane. Myocardium is the middle thick layer. दिसतं आपल्या डायग्राम मध्ये हा सगळ्यात thick layer आहे, middle आहे. It is made up of cardiac muscles. And endocardium is also thin and which is made up of single layer of squamous epithelium. Is epicardium and endocardium is the protective in function, whereas this myocardium is responsible for contraction and relaxation of heart. Means this middle layer is important. Epicardium and endocardium have simple function, protection, but this myocardium have a main function of heart, contraction and relaxation.